How do the double garage detached houses in Richmond Hill and Markham look like, and what are their prices? Hi, my name is Priscilla. I'm a real estate broker in GTA. Today, I'm looking for a future home for a middle-aged couple who just immigrated from Japan to Toronto. We are still exploring in orientation stage. Most properties we will visit today have been newly renovated. Some are complete rebuilt. Before viewing these properties, please don't forget to subscribe my channel so you won't miss my weekly real estate knowledge sharing and property virtual tour videos. See you later. Let's take a look at the inside of this property. When I entered from the entrance, we can see this cathedral ceiling hall with a big skylight on the top. Lots of light are pouring inside. I personally really enjoy properties with skylight. On my left is the living room. It is quite big. This living room is separated from the dining room and the kitchen. It is a traditional structure of a detached home. On the right side is a formal dining room. We can feel the decoration very exquisite. This chandelier looks very elegant. Okay, let's walk straight inside through a small area where we can serve food. The craftsmanship of this cabinet is very nice. Now we come to our kitchen. The kitchen is decorated in a Gothic style. The owner uses a very nice stove. It is a bonus for people who love cooking. There is an island in the middle with a nicely made sink. Then here's our breakfast area. It faces our backyard. The yard is very large. You can see a swimming pool in the middle, which has a cover on it right now. You can open this up in the summertime. The size of the yard is not small at all, and it's very far from the neighbor. There is not a lot of grass, so it is a good choice for people who do not want to spend too much time on gardening. Okay, let's take a look at the connection between the kitchen and the living room from this angle. This is a family room. The family room is still quite large. It's a rectangle shape with a fireplace in the middle. We can tell it's a wood-burning fireplace from the marks. A lot of people like the wood-burning fireplace because of the pleasant pine wood smell. Okay, let's take a look at our family room again at this angle. Let's continue our tour on the first floor. Here's a powder room, and this powder room is well decorated. We can feel it from the chandelier. There is a window in this powder room. This is a small bedroom, which is now decorated as a kids' room. The area is not small. I think it might be around 130 square feet. Here's a big window and a TV. Okay, before we check out the bedroom area on the second floor, let's take a look at our front hall from this position. As you can see, it's very bright. Now, let's check out our bedrooms on the second floor. We will start from the first one on the left side of the stairs. This should be the master bedroom because it's quite sizable. I think its size is at least 300 square feet. Here are two sinks, so husband and wife can each have their own in the morning. And the countertop is big enough for many personal care products. Then there's a bathtub in the middle, right beside the window. Here's a toilet, which is separated from the bathtub. Here's a shower. The decoration of this house is very elegant. This is a walk-in closet with windows. There is a vanity table in the front. I can feel the life-loving attitude of the homeowners of this property. And here's a small tower shelf. Alright, this is the condition of the master bedroom. Both the size and the decoration style are comfy and pleasant. On the other side of the stairs are other bedrooms. This way, the master bedroom is separated from rest of the bedrooms to protect the privacy. This might be the daughter's room. This room is also quite big. I believe it should be around 200 square feet. The window faces the front yard. This bedroom also has its own bathroom with a bathtub and a shower. This bathroom can be shared with the other bedroom because I can either come in from the bedroom or from the corridor. If I close one of the doors, I can use it by myself. Here's another bedroom. This bedroom is quite large, facing the backyard. I believe it is over 270 square feet. It also has an ensuite bathroom with 2 sinks. The bathroom is shared with another bedroom. This bedroom also faces the front yard. I think it's around 200 square feet. Okay, now let's go back to the bathroom and take a look at its design. Here's the toilet and the shower, which are separated from the sinks outside. For a bathroom that is shared by 2 bedrooms, such a design is very functional. The window of this room faces the front yard. As we saw just now, every bedroom on the second floor has an ensuite bathroom. Some bathrooms are shared between 2 rooms. Okay, this is how it looks like on the second floor. Finally, let's take a quick look at the basement. The basement is an open concept. Now it is used by children as a playroom. There is some light coming in through the window. The size of this basement is quite spacious. There is also a bathroom here. We can go and take a look. Although it is a basement, there's still some light coming in. The size of the room is not small, around 150 square feet. The closet has a lot of storage space. Here's a desk, so this room can be used as a study. These are all storage spaces. I believe this property was for self-residence before. I can feel the previous owner put a lot of efforts into the interior design. The new owner will feel very comfortable living here. This is the end of today's video. If you are interested in any property type, neighborhood, or price range, please feel welcome to talk to me. I'll be more than happy to arrange showings or take virtual tour videos for you. My service is 100% free. See you in next video.